I got home and my boyfriend cooked. I was so happy about that. I poured me a glass of wine and I got in the shower. So it's the next day, y'all. Demi, school is kicking my baby butt, and she just started. Like, so now I'm just packing her snacks. She wanted a lot of stuff today. Plus, she told me that somebody stole her Takis out her lunchbox. Like, for real, stop playing with my kid. I'm not even playing. But I'm just packing her stuff and putting her stuff away while she's getting ready. Then she had me doing her nails. Girl, shop is closed, all right? And she spraying her little perfume while I'm showing how to do her edges. She learning. Look how she got it. Now why she looking at me like I'm crazy? I look so cute. But now we leaving out the house, walking her to school, and she was like, Mom, let me put my phone away. My principal said if she sees it, she gonna take it.